Hey guys, welcome back to another video, and so I'm going to do a Sims video. So we're gonna do the three randomizers one, and we'll make the base, see how pretty we can get it. Okay, well let's start. Let's start off with the boy. So first we'll just go to the top. We'll do the hat first. Okay. We'll do the hair. Okay. We'll do the skin color and the face. Okay, I would not want my person wearing it, but okay. Oh! Those eyebrows, though. Those eyebrows. Let's get onto the eyes. Those are the kind of the eyes I always wanted. Now the lips, 1, 2, and 3. Okay, ears, 1, 2, 3. Oh god, I know. Okay, well that's his face. Wait, I'm gonna see if we can add this. No, no accessories. So first we're starting off with the shirt. That's 3. 1, 2, 3. Okay, the second one I would never want, so good. But okay, so we did the boot clothes. Now I just have to do the shoes. 1, 2, 3. Okay. I think he looks blue. Okay, now it's gonna do the name because I forgot to do that. Nestor Nestle Donald. Now formal. Let's remember when we can do the hat. So 1, 2, 3. Okay. Time for the next we're doing the clothes. How guys we do a full body for this? 1, 2, and 3. Okay. Now the shoes. 3. Kind of matches. Am I right? Oh my god. When will this guy ever learn? But let's start off with the hair. Well, no, we don't need to. Okay. 1, 2, 3. Okay. 1, 2, 3. Oh! 1, 2, 3. Okay, let's just get the party. 1, 2, 3. Just kind of hard. 1, 2, 3. Sure. 1, 2, 3. This is his party wear. I like it. Now it's going to go into his pants and right. 1, 2, 3. The one I do not want. The two I would have never wanted. Okay, so this is him. And yeah, let's give him a shirt. There's multiple colors, but this is what he has. Okay, that's him. Okay. Create a new sim. Female. Okay. 1, 2, 3. Oh! We're starting off good. We're going into a bad state. But, let's do the skin color and the face. Oh! Oh my god, I like that. Now the hair. Then the cheeks. Then the chin. Oh god. Then the jaw. Now the eyebrows. 1, 2, and 3. So that's her face. Now back to her clothes. 2 and 3. Doesn't match. Let's do the name. 1, 2, 3. Yep. And Hancock. Okay. Alyssa Hancock. Okay, guys. There's Alyssa Hancock. Randomize the shirt. 1, 2, and 3. 2, 3. Oh. Okay. So now time to get the shoes. It's 1, 2, and 3. Got it. 1, 2, 3 for the shoes. 1, 2, 3 for the pants. 1, 2, 3. Sweatshirt. I like this. No accessories. 1, 2, and 3 for the top. 1, 2, 3. Okay, let's get rid of the bottom accessories because you can't randomize those. 1, 2, and 3. Yes! Bunny slippers. Okay. Now we'll do a full body. 1, 2, 3. I actually don't hate it. Okay. 1, 2, 3. The second one would be perfect for this, but doesn't match at all because these are bowling shoes. But okay. Swimwear. 1, 2, 3. Oh. Okay. Well, there she is. Well, you know I'm not doing the hot and cold weather because I don't have the seasons pack yet. So, but this is her. So, I wish we could randomize this, but yeah. I'll just close my eyes and choose which one I picked. None. Okay. Did I pick? Oh, athlete. Okay, we're doing athlete. Did I pick one? Nope. Okay, hold on. Active. Okay. An art lover. Okay, those are her 3. Now let's get back to him. Close my eyes. Oh, so he's gonna be a know-it-all, so we did quick learner, okay? Cheerful. Oh. A bookworm. Nice. Here, let's try going for dog. Hold on, I didn't get one. Did I click on? No. Oh, no, not again. Oh. So let's read what that says. Okay. These Sims don't mind borrowing things from other Sims. Swipe, but they will get tense when they don't have swiped anything in a while. So he's a criminal and she's insane. Perfect match! Wife. Let's do this. Genetics. Toddler. One, 2, 3. Okay, so that's 3. So let's see her clothes. 1. We're gonna randomize her top. Well, yeah, we'll randomize her first thing because that's what we do. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Shoes. 1, 2, 3. Okay, so that's her hair, and her cheeks, and her whole face. So yeah. So first we'll do cheeks. 1, 2, 3. Okay. 1, 2, 3. Okay, I'm glad it was both. Okay. Now the eyes. 1, 2, 3. Oh my god, as I always wanted. 1, 2, 3. Yeah, wait. Oh no. Yeah. Let's do eyebrows now. 1, 2, 3. Okay. Next, we're gonna do the formal. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Oh, that's actually pretty cute. And 1, 2, and 3. Oh my god, it's so super cute! So, let's do the one. Well, actually, you can do many things. So 1, 2, 3. Okay. Oh no. It's already healthy and I don't know why I did this. 1, 2, 3. Oh my god, it's so adorable. 1, 2, 3. Okay, last one. Okay, we can't randomize her diaper. Well, actually, we can. 1, 2, 3. Thanks.
Is this garbage?
Yeah.
Is this done? You're drinking it.
That's not. Okay, so now I'm going to just create this and save it because I have to do something. But so this is it.